Greetings fellow foodies. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Rome. And here is our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience will be and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for you. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome, and if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up, and make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Rome will be Osteria da Noantri, a restaurant of the local Italian and for the curious foodies with top-notch hospitality and great affordable food dishes, choices of native European, Roman, Lazio, Central Italian cuisine. The restaurant also offers some vegetarian-friendly vegan option and gluten-free option. Our suggestion would be to start with Oratella con Carciofi, Saltimbocca, meatball, garlic and butter bruschetta for appetizer. For pasta choice, try pasta rigatoni, sugo caccinara oxtail, ossobuco and lamb. The restaurant has huge beer selection and some of the waiter and waitress can speak English. This is a local restaurant where local business, working colleagues and meet and greet and dine and enjoy each other's company. Number choice for top restaurant in Rome will be Ristorante Sandalia, best seafood restaurant in Rome. The price range of this restaurant start from $36 to $79. Dish served at this restaurant will be from Mediterranean, Italian, fusion, Sardinian. The restaurant offers vegetarian-friendly and has vegan and gluten-free options. An intimate restaurant, clean, beautiful, with white linen and pocket-friendly restaurant. The staff is polite, experienced, and attentive. You would also want to try the tris of tartar, which is raw, or crudo with olive oil or on ice. Try as well the scorpion fish appetizer. You also want to try the sea bass salted fish, which is a sea bass covered in salt and then being set alive or flambé. Try the seafood medley of clams, oysters, prawns, shrimps, black truffle, and pistachio. Mussel soup, pasta dishes of spaghetti with lobster, and calamarata with saffron, soli, and bottarga. For dessert, try cheesecake parfait with Italian ice cream, fresh raspberry, and cookie. There are plenty of cooked seafood dishes menu in the restaurant along with pasta. There are various selections of cooked meat and chicken dishes with vast selections of wine. For alcoholic drinks, try the Mirto. Our number 3 choice will be Quanto Basta Slow Restaurant, with starting price range of $55 to $182. This is restaurant of French cuisine, European, contemporary, and fusion. This restaurant also offers vegan option and gluten-free option. The restaurant has one of the best sweets and pastries in Rome, accompanied with polite service and very well-presented meals. This restaurant, although have intimate settings, is probably our top choice for a fine dining restaurant in Rome. The restaurant has vast wine selection with fair price. An elegant, warm, and welcoming restaurant. Number 4 of our top choice is Ad Hoc, a very prestigious and well-known restaurant in Rome. The price range starts from $61 to vegan option and gluten-free option. Ad hoc restaurant has a strategic location just off La Plaza del Popolo. Ad hoc restaurant have the most impressive interiors of wine-lined brightly illuminated walls and wine collections, delicious food, charming atmosphere, and hospitable service. Start with burrata e tartufo with the anchovies for appetizer, or pumpkin blossoms and ricotta for appetizer. For main dish, try the beef cheeks and banana pudding for dessert. To top it all off, add the black truffle tasting menu. You cannot go wrong with ad hoc restaurant. Number 5 of our choice will be Perfetti 19, a very intimate restaurant with focus on cuisine such as Italian, Mediterranean, European, with special diets, gluten-free option, and vegetarian friendly. Price range from $15 to $48. You can start with cheese platter, orecchiette pasta with yellow tomatoes, and cold cuts. Try the crab names with chicken and crab names with sliced beef. And try the sweet crabs, burgers, and wine. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram, JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!